I decided to order the impression kit, and it was here on my doorstep. Isn't that cool? So let me show you what they've sent me. Example of Regenerate toothpaste. It's a bag here with the impression putty inside. Gloves. They also send you a manual how to take your impressions.
So you get your 2 putties here and you're going to mix them together.
The white putty and we've got the purple putty. Mix them. Looks like that, and then put it in your mouth. So this is what it looks like. That is my teeth.
My impression.
I'm going to take a photo of this, upload it to the app, and a dentist will check that I've taken the impression correctly. So I think they're looking pretty good.
Put them in this bag here. Put them in your prepaid
envelope to send it all back in as well.
I'm more comfortable doing the impressions myself than I would be going to a dentist to do it. So I think this whole process is really good so far.
They get delivered to you. It's all online, the app. The people that answer the app are great. We recommend Straight Teeth Direct just to start your straight teeth journey. I can't wait to start mine.
So excited to have straight teeth.